It is said that our eyes are windows to our soul. So impairment of vision is one of the most profound disabilities. So there is nothing as precious as giving someone blind a gift of sight. Blindness continues to be one of the major health problems in many countries in the world, including India. So cataract and some of the corneal diseases are the major cause of blindness in our country. And the good part here is that they are curable. According to WHO, the World Health Organization, corneal diseases is one of the major causes of blindness in the world, besides glaucoma and cataract. In India, there are approximately 1 crore deaths per year. And you'll be surprised, friends, only 20,000 people donate their eyes. It's 0.2%. Today, on the occasion of the Eye Donation Fortnight, I'm here to request you to pledge your eyes so that you can donate your eyes. And this will make a big difference to people who cannot see. I'm Dr. Kumar Doctor from Dr. Eye Institute, and this channel of iLogs has everything to do with vision and eye care. If you haven't subscribed to it, please do so. Do not forget to hit the notification button so every time I release a new video, you get notified. So what exactly is the National Eye Donation Fortnight? This is observed every year from the 25th of August till the 8th of September. So this is actually a campaign created to create mass public awareness about eye donation. This will motivate people to pledge their eyes after their death. In India, you'll be surprised, 68 lakh people suffer from blindness because of corneal diseases. Out of this, almost 10 lakh are bilateral, means both eyes are blind because of corneal diseases. The National Blindness and the Visual Impairment Survey of 2019 reported that corneal blindness was the leading cause of blindness in the age group of less than 50. And this surprisingly accounted for almost 37% of the patients with corneal blindness. So me, as Kumar Doctor, and my whole team of Dr. Eye Institute has done this drive to bring about more awareness about eye donation and how and when to pledge your eyes. Very few people, friends, really donate their eyes. And there are many reasons for this. One reason being the lack of awareness. Sometimes it is lack of institution and hospital facilities, and many times it's social and religious myths. So with this video, I want to clear all your doubts about eye donation. So the most obvious question that crosses our mind is really, which are the people who can donate their eyes? And what are the criteria that is necessary to fulfill for this donation? Of course, the eyes can only be donated after one's death. So those of us who wish their eyes to be donated after death can of course pledge them when they're alive. The good news here is that all of us can be a donor, irrespective of the age, the sex, the religion, or the blood group. Many times I get questions asked by my patients that, "Doctor, I'm using contact lenses. My eyes have been operated for a cataract. Can I still donate my eyes?" And the answer is yes. Even if you are using contact lenses either for short-sightedness or far-sightedness, even if you have been operated for a cataract with a lens implant, you can still donate your eyes. So even if you have poor eyesight, it's not a contraindication for eye donation. It means that you can still donate your eye. However, there are a few conditions where patients cannot donate their eyes. One condition being AIDS, or if you had a death due to hepatitis B or C, if you suffered from meningitis, encephalitis, or leukemia and lymphoma, which are types of blood cancers. To complete the list, patients who had death due to rabies or septicemia can also not donate their eyes. So that was information about who can donate the eyes. But the question here is, how are these donated eyes really used? So traditionally, after death, when you donate both your eyes, you are actually providing a gift of sight to 2 blind people. With the advent of modern corneal surgery, actually one eye can even give sight to 3 people. You'll be surprised. That means when you donate 2 of your eyes after death, you can actually give sight to 6 people, because we are using only a specific part of the cornea during the surgery. So one eye can actually be used to give sight to 3 people who are blind with their corneal diseases. So many times my patients get confused and they tell me, "Doctor, why don't you just replace the eye?" So to clear this confusion, please understand that when we say eye transplant or eye donation, what is really used is only the cornea or the white part of the eye. So when you pledge your eye, the front transparent part, which is a cornea, is used to give sight to the other recipient, or the white sclera is also used in donation. The rest of the eye cannot be used. So whenever you talk of eye transplant or eye donation, I cannot just remove the eye and place another full eye and you'll be able to see. That does not happen. So that's normally confusion or myth in minds of our patients. Many times my patients do ask me, "Doctor, I'm willing to pledge my eyes, but tell me the process." The process is very simple. You have to actually fill up a form. These forms are available in major hospitals in your city, as well as in eye banks in your city. At the end of this video, I'm going to give a list of eye banks which are based in Mumbai. You just call them up, they send you a form, you fill up the form and send it back to them. But don't forget, once you've filled up the form and send it back to them, do inform your family members, because yes, after your death, your eyes will be donated, but they have to know about it, because they are the ones who will inform the eye bank, and that's when the whole process will begin. There is also a website of the Eye Bank Associations of India. So if you go on the net and find this website, you will have lots of names of different eye banks in your city, and they can help you with this form. So coming to the next most important question is, what actually happens during the harvesting of the eyes or during eye donation process? So after one's death, once you inform the eye bank, they will be there at your doorsteps in less than an hour to collect the eyes. And this is very important, and it has to be done in the first 2 to 3 hours. Sometimes the window is almost 4 to 5 hours, but we prefer that it's done in the first 1 or 2 hours. In all of this, friends, please remember, time is of the most importance. As I mentioned, the eye bank has to be informed immediately, and they should collect the eyes in less than 3 hours. Normally the cutoff, they say, is 6 hours, but we prefer that it to be 3 hours. So a team of medical professionals will talk to the relatives, take a proper written informed consent, and then proceed with the process of eye donation. They will of course want to clarify about the medical history of the donor. So the family will be questioned about the medical history. So this team will work in privacy to harvest these donated eyes under very aseptic conditions, and of course giving full respect to the deceased as well as the family. Now many hospitals have a list of the patients who will be receiving these donated eyes. So these eyes that you donate are normally used between 1 to 7 days. They can also be preserved in a medium for a longer time, but we always prefer that these eyes are used for the corneal disease patients in less than 7 days. The identities here, don't worry friends, whether you are the donor or the recipient, both are kept very confidential. So friends, this brings me to the end of this episode on donation of eyes or pledging of your eyes. Knowing that the amount of corneal blindness that is prevalent in our country, I request all of you to pledge your eyes. And as I mentioned in the video, get the form, fill it up, and inform the eye bank in and around your city. In all of this, we must overcome all the superstitions, the myths, and the disbeliefs about eye donation. So actually friends, when we donate our eyes, it makes a significant difference in someone else's life, because people who were blind because of corneal diseases, who could never see, will be able to see only because you made this little extra effort to pledge your eyes. As much as I have requested you to pledge your eyes, and if you've done so, please spread this message with the near and dear ones. So friends, stay tuned to this channel of iLogs for more information on vision eye care, and spread this word with friends and family.
मी आहे शंकर गरडकर. माझ्या डोळ्याचं मार लागलेला आहे. 20-22 वर्ष झालेले आहेत आणि मला सफेद दिसत होते, पांढरा दिसत होते. तर आज महिन्यापूर्वी माझं सफेद डोळा जे होते त्याचं ऑपरेशन झालेलं आहे. डॉक्टर आय हॉस्पिटल कुमार डॉक्टर यांचं मी आभारी आहे. तर दोन्ही डोळ्याचे हे माझं जे ऑपरेशन झालेलं आहे त्याचे सफेद काढून आता मला दिसावं लागले. सर्वांनी डोळे हे डोनेट करा.
माझं नाव संजना वामने आहे. मला 25 वर्षापूर्वी डाव्या डोळ्याला मार लागला होता. तिथपासून माझी नजर कमी आली आणि डोळ्यावर पांढरं बुबुळ आलं होतं. आणि आता मी जिथे विलेपार्लेमध्ये काम करते तिथे 2 वर्षापूर्वी एक कॅम्प आला. त्या कॅम्पमधून मी डॉक्टर्स इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये मला सांगितलं गेलं की ते ऑपरेशन सक्सेसफुल होईल करून. आणि मी तिथे गेल्यानंतर माझं 2019मध्ये ऑपरेशन झालं. पांढरं बुबुळ काढण्यात आलं आणि ते काढल्यानंतर मला पूर्वीपेक्षा दिसायला लागलं. त्याच्यानंतर 1 वर्षानंतर त्याच्या डाव्या डोळ्यातच माझं मोतीबिंदू आलं आणि ते मोतीबिंदू आता 2021मध्ये हल्ली आता काढल्यामुळे आता मला ते स्पष्ट आता दिसायला लागलं. माझं असं म्हणणं आहे की सर्वांनी डोळे डोनेट करा आणि मी डॉक्टर कुमारचे धन्यवाद सांगते. थँक्यू.